Is your NFL Sunday ticket stuck on the loading screen and won't play? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is completely close the app and relaunch it. For that, exit out of the app, open your app switcher and swipe Sunday ticket off of your screen. After that, relaunch the application and check if your problem is fixed. If not, then the next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or restart your router if you're at home. A weak connection is most common cause of freezing. Next thing you want to do is make sure NFL Sunday Ticket app is up to date. To make sure, you want to open up Play Store or App Store, then tap on the search bar and here search for Sunday Ticket. Now, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Next thing you want to do is tap and hold on the Sunday Ticket app, then tap on this I button, which will directly take you to settings. Now, scroll down and tap on storage, then select clear cache, head back. Now tap on force stop, tap on OK. Now check if your problem is fixed. If not, then the last thing you want to do is simply reinstall the app. For that, go ahead and uninstall the application. After it has been uninstalled, you again want to download it from Play Store or App Store. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.